Bullish LUNC cost expectation for 2023 $0.000170006 to $0.000337955. Terra exemplary. LUNC cost could likewise reach $0.0005 soon. Bearish LUNC cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0008430. In land exemplary, LUNC cost expectation 2023. We use measurements cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about LUNC to break down the future development of the digital money. What is land exemplary? LUNC. Land exemplary, LUNC, is one of the digital currencies that can never be forgotten by the crypto local area. The wild accident of this token is a significant horrendous story of the 2022 bear market. Land exemplary, LUNC, was sent off by Do Kwon's Terraform Labs in 2019. The old rendition of the blockchain, land exemplary, was sent off as a proof-of-stake POS blockchain based on Universe SDK and Tendermint. LUNC existed as an insurance token that supported a group of decentralized stablecoins of the LAN biological system. LAN Classicist, USTC, is LAN's algorithmic stablecoin that was upheld by LUNC. Afterward, to recover their spot on the lookout, Do Kwon and the LAN group concocted the making of a new blockchain without any trace of the algo stablecoin and sent off the new coin called LAND, Luna. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2023. Land exemplary stands firm on the 56th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. LUNC cost forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. The above diagram of LUNC laid the sliding channel design. Plummeting channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A plummeting channel is framed by two equal trend lines, the upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trade of a negative market. Right now, land exemplary, LUNC, is in the scope of $0.000166653. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of LUNC could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.0001873 and $0.000200942. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of LUNC might tumble to $0.000152339. From the above day-to-day time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for land exemplary, LUNC. The outlines show that land exemplary has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, LUNC could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $0.000333795. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of land exemplary could dive to nearly $0.0008430, a negative sign. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of land exemplary is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of LUNC lies beneath the N line, showing frail members and the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of land exemplary is displayed in the graph above. Land exemplary, LUNC cost lies on 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is vertically. As of now, land exemplary has entered a bullish state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of LUNC whenever. In the interim, the general strength record, RSI, of the land exemplary is 46.90. This implies that land exemplary is almost in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of land exemplary may happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange land exemplary, LUNC, value expectation 2023 ADX, RVI. Let us presently take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of land exemplary. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings, utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of land exemplary, LUNC. As of now, the ADX of LUNC lies in the scope of 16.85, and in this manner, it shows a frail pattern. The above graph additionally addresses the overall instability file, RVI, of land exemplary, LUNC. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of LUNC lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, The RSI of land exemplary, LUNC, is at 46.90 in this way, affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of LUNC with BTC, at the underneath outline, shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and land exemplary, LUNC. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH, BTC and LUNC are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of LUNC likewise increments or diminishes individually. Land exemplary, LUNC, value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should foresee the cost of land exemplary, LUNC, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, land exemplary, LUNC could likely achieve $0.0007 by 2024. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2025 with a few updates in the organization, land exemplary, LUNC could enter a bullish direction, assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers. LUNC could energize to hit $0.0009 by 2025. Land exemplary, LUNC, value expectation 2026. If land exemplary, LUNC, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, LUNC would revitalize to hit $0.003. Land exemplary, LUNC, value expectation 2027. If land exemplary, LUNC, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, LUNC would revitalize to hit $0.005. Land exemplary, LUNC, value expectation 2028. If land exemplary, LUNC, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, LUNC would energize to hit $0.009. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2029. Land exemplary, LUNC, holds up major areas of strength and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years. In the midst of the patterns and the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, LUNC would hit 5 cents in 2029. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2030. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on land exemplary, LUNC, it would observe significant spikes. LUNC could hit $0.1 by 2030. And with ceaseless upgrades in the land exemplary organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for LUNC. Hence, the bullish value forecast of land exemplary, LUNC, in 2023 is $0.000337995. Then again, the negative value expectation of land exemplary, LUNC, cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0008430. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the land exemplary and